Imagine earning thousands of dollars each month by sharing horror stories that keep viewers on the edge of their seats. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, it's possible. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step using AI tools. Step 1. Check monetization potential. Before we get started, let's ensure that scary videos in this niche are being monetized. First, let's copy the channel link and paste it on this website to check whether this channel is monetized. And as you can see, it is monetized. Many channels are raking in substantial profits, with some earning up to $40,000 a month just by sharing horror stories. This is a lucrative niche, so let's jump in. Step 2. Create a Google account. First things first, if you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one. This will allow you to set up your YouTube channel. Enter your details to create the account. I don't want this video to be long, but the steps to create the account are easy. Just follow. Click Next whenever you finish entering your details. Step 3. Generate a channel name. Now let's get creative. We'll use ChatGPT to generate a catchy channel name. Now sign up to ChatGPT using your Google account. Simply ask ChatGPT for suggestions and pick a name that resonates with your theme. Type this, generate 10 channel names for a scary YouTube channel, then pick the one to like. Next, we need a logo and banner. Copy a prompt from ChatGPT to generate images for these using Leonardo AI. Type this in ChatGPT. I want to create a logo and a banner for my channel. Please help me with a prompt to create the logo and banner. Then click the link in the description to go directly to Leonardo AI. You need to sign up. Sign up using your Google account, then you are ready to create your logo. Now go back to ChatGPT, then copy the prompt for the logo, then paste it in Leonardo AI. Check the dimensions, then click on Generate. Choose the one you like best and download it. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the banner, then paste it in Leonardo AI. Check the dimensions because the banner must have a different dimensions, then click on Generate. After generating, choose the one you like best and download it. Step 4. Design YouTube banner. Head over to Canva and create your channel banner. Canva is user-friendly and perfect for designing eye-catching graphics. Sign up on Canva, then search for YouTube banner. Choose any one and edit that template. First, import your image for the banner, the one you created with Leonardo AI, then design your banner. Once you're satisfied, download your creations. Step 5. Customize your YouTube channel. Now, let's customize the YouTube channel. Go to Channel Customization. Input the name you generated with ChatGPT. And upload your banner and logo. For the channel description, return to ChatGPT and ask for a compelling description that captures the essence of your channel. Copy and paste it into the description box, then hit publish. Your channel is now set up. Please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. Step 6. Create your first video. Now let's create some scary videos. There are 3 key elements to focus on: voiceover, visuals, and background sound. Don't worry, we'll use AI for all of this. Start by researching trending topics in the horror niche. Once you find a topic, ask ChatGPT to help you craft a full scary story based on that topic. Type this as a copywriter, write a script for a scary story video on this topic. Enter topic. After you have your script, head to 11 Labs to generate the voiceover. Now sign up to 11 Labs using your Google account. Choose a voice that fits your theme and download the audio file. Step 7. Generate visuals. Next, let's create visuals for your video. Go back to ChatGPT and request prompts for images that correspond to different parts of your story. Use Leonardo AI to generate these images one after the other. To add some flair, we'll animate these images using Liopix. Sign up, upload your images, and download the animations. Step 8. Add background sound. For a truly immersive experience, go to Pixabay and download some scary background sounds. Step 9. Edit your video. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. I'll be using CapCut, but feel free to use any video editing application you prefer. Upload your voiceover to the timeline, then put your animated visuals on top. Add transitions to enhance the viewing experience, and don't forget to include the scary background sound. Lower the background song so the voiceover can be heard. Lastly, use the auto caption generator in CapCut to add captions to your video. Once everything looks good, export your video and upload it to YouTube. And there you have it. You just created your first scary video for your YouTube channel using AI tools. With consistency and creativity, you can build a successful channel that keeps viewers coming back for more. All the tools I use are in the video description, so just click them and start creating. This is the end result of the video we created. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also comment on how you see this video. If you have any questions, just type it in the comments section.
Couldn't handle until that night. It was a cold, foggy Thursday, and the streets were deserted. Around 2:30 a.m., a ride request came through. The pickup location was an old, abandoned factory on the outskirts of town. Jake hesitated for a second. The factory had been shut down for years, and no one ever went there. But money was money, and he had bills to pay. He arrived at the factory, the towering structure looming.